All right, we're going to be utilizing the Alpaca Markets API with Python to place a CLS buy limit order. So, the first thing we want to do is we're going to pick what we're going to be buying. So I'm going to choose ABBV, that is ticker ABBV. It's currently trading at 190.15. So let's go ahead and go over to the API documentation, the API reference to start building out our order. Alpaca makes it very easy to build this. You just enter the parameters and it builds the request for you in Python. If you are, for whatever reason, defaulted to shell, make sure you just come over to Python there. It makes it easy, or whatever language you're looking for. There's a multitude of them. So like I said, ABBV, trading at 190.15. The market is open. I'm going to buy 10 of them. Buy order. We're going to do a limit. So that is at the specified limit price or below that or better. And the time in force is going to be a CLS, the close. So what that means is you can read here market on close and limit on close. So the limit on close is what we're doing here. This order is eligible to execute only in the market closing auction. So know that that's what this is doing. You can only place these orders after 7 p.m. or before 3:50. Otherwise, it's going to get rejected. So just be wary of that. And the last thing we need to do is put in a limit price. So when this closes, we will want to buy 10 shares of ABBV. Let's say if it's below 191. We'll use that. So if it's below 191, currently trading at 190.16, this is going to execute in the closing auction. So the last thing is if your key and secret key aren't in here, you can come to the dashboard if you don't have them stored somewhere, and you can choose to regenerate them. So click generate new keys, and then you're going to want to grab your key, and you'll place it here. And then you want to grab your secret key, and you can place that here. And then we can just grab this request here, come over to a blank Jupyter notebook or whatever IDE you're using, import JSON. I always do it. You don't have to, but it just makes it, if you change this to json.loads instead of print, the return message is a lot easier to read. Just review this real quick. Make sure you've got the right time and force symbol, quantity, limit price, the type. So this is a limit on close and a buy side. So we'll click shift enter, and that looks like it executed there. So the order has been placed to execute this limit order of 191 or less in the closing auction. If we come to our dashboard, we can see that that limit buy order has been placed, and at the market close, if that price is at 191 or below, then this will execute and buy those 10 shares.